Arame by SYBILE Art, Special Treatment version 3. For version 1, we have electric diamonds sprinkled in the background. Version 2, we add violet pearls that we have placed on her headband over here. And then you can choose the purple areas of the flowers that you would like to highlight with the violet pearls. In this case, we've placed some here, over here, here, some over here as well, and over here. Finally, for version 3, we've got ice crystals sprinkled on the blue areas of the flowers. So these are the beads here sparkling we see, as well as over here on these buds, also on the blue leaves. So once again, for Arame by SYBILE Art, Special Treatment version 3, we have violet pearls, electric diamonds, and ice crystals.